Well, in today's video, I'm actually down here at Kamala Beach, Phuket, Thailand, and this is one of my favorite places. I've been here before, and this is a really beautiful beach, so let's go check this out. This is where I came from, right here up on the road, and it's actually a beautiful day out. See what's nice, beautiful color of the water. Just love it. I mean, you definitely see the difference between monsoon season and non-monsoon. I mean, just by look at the water there, it's so rough. That's a north look down that way, but I think I'm gonna make my way a little bit south. So check these horses here at Kamala Beach. There's a must be a ranch nearby. Look at this. Horseback riding at Kamala. I'm not sure where that's at. I've seen them before. Take a walk down the patio here, the walkway, head south. Got this little stand right here. Fruit shake. There you go, 60 baht. And pancakes, plain, 30, 40, 50, whatever you want to get. So, got a little restaurant alongside. See what the prices are here. This restaurant, let's see if you want to get a pizza. Pizza banana, $2.80. Marinara pizza, $3.50. Swaddy cap. So, give you an idea how much it costs out here in Kamala. Dang's restaurant. I don't know how much Dang's is. Swaddy cup. Let's see what we got here. Dang's restaurant. I'm just checking it out. I'm doing a walk down the sidewalk. See, American breakfast, 180 baht. Omelet with tomato, bacon, and cheese, 180. I'll be back, sir. Thank you. I mean, right now, I mean, by US dollar, it's going for like maybe 34 baht to $1 US. So that gives you an idea how much it is. Just beautiful setting. I just love it. Walking down this sidewalk here behind the beach. You got beautiful views. Look at these coconut trees. Makes for a really nice setting with the color of the water, especially today. Now, yesterday I was over at Cologne Beach in the afternoon. So, Swaddy Cup. So I've actually covered a number of areas since I've been here. I've been here about a week now. That's a nice swing. I think this is like the main section of the beach, or part of it you can park. That's where the police station is in Kamala. At least one of them. There's probably more. Take a walk out here on the beach and check it out. This is almost the southern end of Kamala. Check this out. I think that's the Kamala Beach Resort. I'm not sure. I love these waves. Anything with big waves I like. So I believe this is probably the busiest part of this beach down here on the south end. Check these areas out here. And right deep inside the beach chairs. Beach Chair City. So here's what's happening on the southern side. Over here by the, actually there's another parking lot, which is over there. So you get a massage table over here. And this is just another area. I don't believe I'll go any further south than this. So I'll give you an idea of these vendor areas right in the back walkway here on Kamala on the southern end. And let's see, you know, this is what they have. Let's see what is going on beach chair wise. So look at the horse over there. It's taking a water break here at Kamala, one of these little vendor stalls. Obviously 20 baht for the water. I mean, you can get these out in town for maybe 5 to 7 baht, but you know, it's the beach. What do you expect? And I definitely got to keep myself hydrated for all the walking that I do. But there it is right behind me. There's the fella that helped out. So what I decided to do is actually head back north instead of taking the back way. I figure I'll just keep on the beach area. This is, I think it's the Kamala Beach Resort. So check out some of these behind beach scenes here. This beautiful Kamala Beach. So this is the end of this video right here of exploring Kamala Beach. And it's been really a nice morning out here. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Phuket, Thailand. And this is a lasting shot of the northern end of Kamala. You know, if you like this content, please consider subscribing. You know, hit the like button, really helps out my channel. You know, I travel to a lot of different Southeast Asian countries, and this is my first stop on this particular long travel that I'm on. And there's a lasting shot of southern Kamala. And I hope to see you in my next video. So, see ya.